Hi there, this is Corey. I'm at Porsche Colorado Springs, and behind me I've got a very exceptional example of a 2017 Porsche 911 Turbo S Coupe. Let's take a closer look. All right, the rain passed over us and the sun is out, and I am so happy about that because I wanted to show you this lovely Graphite Blue Metallic exterior paint on this 2017 911 Turbo S Coupe. This car just came into us from a great customer who is ordering a brand new 911 Turbo S, and he wanted to trade it in a little bit early so that we could take possession of it and he wouldn't have to worry about anything happening to it between now and the time he gets his new car. So we're very happy to have it. This is a really, really exceptional car. I say this because it is just so incredibly well optioned. I'm going to talk about that here momentarily, but let's talk some high-level information first. This car comes to us with just over 42,000 miles on the odometer, so pretty low miles, not outrageously low, but enough that you can add some more to the car without feeling too bad about it. So I do like that about this car. The intent is to offer it as a Porsche approved certified pre-owned vehicle, and that's really crucial where these Turbo S's are getting to be close to 10 years old. What is the biggest thing that concerns me about these cars? It's the Porsche ceramic composite brakes. Any older car with ceramic brakes can be a concern because if those brakes ever do need replacement, they can be incredibly costly. I mean, multiple 5 figures. So we will measure those brakes, make sure that you will not be due for an impending brake job that could cost multiple 5 figures, and that is humongous peace of mind for someone buying this car. The previous owner, very fastidious owner, bought it as a certified pre-owned. He's a big Porsche guy and took really good care of the car, so that certainly helps too. This car, 580 horsepower, 516, I believe, pounds-feet of torque, 7-speed PDK. This thing rockets to 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. 2.8, 2.9 is kind of what I read. And yeah, just absolutely tremendous. Quarter mile time, 10.8 seconds. So it's a factory 10-second car. That is just wild. Anyway, this car, look at this. This is I say it's a 2-page build sheet, but it's not like, oh, it spills over into the next page. No, this is almost 2 full pages of options. This car had a almost $238,000 MSRP in 2017, $48,000 of which were options. Now, if you adjust that price for inflation today, that's $324,000, which is within $1,000 of what the new 911 Turbo S that this client who traded it in is going to cost. So the new one's going to be $325,000. We're not too far off. So really, really impressive, the build on this car. I'm obviously not going to sit here and go through every single little thing, but it's got the Sport Design exterior package. It's got the Sport Classic 20-inch wheels. It's got adaptive cruise, it's got lane change assist, it's got front axle lift, it's got Burmester, just to name a few of the options. And then really most of it is just a ton of additional leather and racing yellow deviated stitching. So we'll go into the interior here momentarily, but let's take a quick look at the condition. Wheels all appear to be in really good shape. It does have paint protection film on the front end of the car, on the mirror caps, and on the roof pillars going up to about here. Windshield's in good shape. There's a handful of stone pits, but no chips, no stars, no cracks. Tires are 2021 date, late 2021 date code, so about 4 years old, realistically. We'll see if any of the tires need replacing. The car, the nice thing about, again, certified pre-owned, the car will be fully up to date on maintenance, so you can enjoy it trouble-free for quite some time. Tiny bit of, I guess you would call that crazing on the upper headlight lenses. That can tend to happen. I think they are PPF though. Maybe not. Well, anyhow, the rest of the front end certainly is. Got the European clear side markers. Got to have those. The yellow 911 Turbo S decals on the side. The Sport Design package is all in gloss black, so that's pretty easily noticeable which parts of the car on the lower portions are the Sport Design package. Got that yellow S badge on the back. Obviously deployable rear spoiler, gloss black engine lid trim, and obviously the Porsche 911 Turbo S emblems in black, black exhaust tips, panoramic glass sunroof, windows are tinted. Let's have a look at this interior. This is where things get really interesting. This is where a lot of the money was spent. So we have black and graphite blue leather with racing yellow deviated stitching pretty much everywhere. Carbon fiber inlays on the door panels, on the sill plates. You notice there's leather here on this inner portion with racing yellow. We've got the racing yellow seat belts front and back. Leather behind us here. These are 18-way power adjustable adaptive seats. They've got heating and ventilation. Porsche crest on the headrest, gotta have it. Headliner in Racetex synthetic suede. Leather sun visors, usually those are left plastic. We've even got leather over here on the side of the dash with stitching. Oh, aluminum pedals, that's another really nice option. Lower dash is of course leather. Steering column casing is leather with deviated stitching. We've got the racing yellow instrumentation, racing yellow sport chrono clock. Here's a neat thing that I'm not sure if the camera will catch it, but even the air vent slats are painted. I don't know the name of the color on here, but it's like it looks like a gloss gray. It might be graphite blue actually. Yeah, just lots of little details. Deviated stitching around here. This is all little things that most of these cars don't have unless somebody went really wild on the options. But even that center speaker there on the dash has got deviated stitching. Got some nice, I think these are aftermarket, I could be wrong, but I think these are aftermarket floor mats, just in really good shape. Carbon fiber shifter handle. Screen's in good shape. I don't see any scratches. I mean, it looks perfect actually. And mileage on the car, 42,942. Oh, forgot to mention carbon fiber steering wheel. Got the drive mode selector down here for normal, sport, sport sharp, and individual, or sport plus, excuse me. Turbo S emblazoned on the center console armrest. Do have a USB port inside there. And then our controls here for the front axle lift, for the spoiler, for the Porsche dynamic chassis control, auto start stop, and sunroof and traction control. So really, 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 really nice build. Let me just start it up for you. Hold on. Yeah, oh yeah, that sounds good. All right, once more, that's our very well optioned 2017 Porsche 911 Turbo S Coupe in graphite blue with 42,000 miles. If you're interested in learning more, please give me a call. My direct phone line is area code 719-219-5015. And if you do me a favor, please like this video, leave a comment below, and consider subscribing if you'd like to see more sports car content from Cars and Corey. Thanks for watching.